Hello and welcome to the Kristen Starfish Show. Where's my buddy? Oh, Starfish? It's not time for hide and seek. It's time for the Kristen Starfish Show. Now, if you're enjoying these videos, please hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep making them for you. Now, today we're gonna watch the coolest encounter I've ever had with an octopus. Yes, I know it's the second octopus video, but I love cephalopods so much. Plus, it's a super fun word to say. Can you try saying it? Cephalopods. Now, I think one of the reasons I enjoyed seeing this octopus so much was my sister was actually there with me. Yeah, she had to come babysit my little starfish while I was doing research on Lizard Island. Okay, everyone get ready. Let's go take a dive. Hello, young ocean explorers. Time to dive into the fascinating world of octopus. Look at our friend here. It's Ernie the octopus. Isn't he amazing? Octopus are incredibly smart and unique creatures that live in our oceans. They have 8 long tentacles that they use for swimming, crawling, and even catching prey. But that's not all. They're also a master of disguise. Okay, time to count. How many blue and yellow fish do you see? Now there's a lot. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think so too. Good counting. Octopus can change the color and texture of their skin to match the environment, making them experts at hiding from predators and sneaking up on prey. It's like having a built-in invisibility cloak from Harry Potter. Whoa! Now, the octopus is doing some incredible displays here as it moves around the reef. I can hardly see him. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Okay, now it's looked like the coolest things about octopus is that they have 3 hearts. Do you think that means they can love 3 times as strong? Maybe. Wow. Do you know what it's called when an octopus swims? Especially if they're scared, they get away by jet propulsion. Now, even Ernie seems to have a fishing friend. They are searching through all of the nooks and crevices on the reef. Did you know that the biggest octopus is actually found here in Canada? Yeah, it's called the giant Pacific octopus. It can be 600 pounds. Whoa, and up to 30 feet long. Oh my God, that's like the length of 2 giraffes. Whoa. I really hope one day I'll get to go diving with them though. That would be incredible. Ocean explorers, keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to come back and take a dive with me. P. Parrotfish. Wow, Starfish, that camouflage the octopus does is truly amazing. And it even looks like he has a fish friend. I think they're hunting together. Isn't that what it seems? Wow. It really goes to show you that 2 unlikely friends can get together and help each other. We should try and be helpful to everyone and nice, even if they look a little bit different. Because you never know, that person could end up being your best buddy. All right, is it time for an activity now? Let's go. Thanks for joining me on another afternoon tea 1, 2, 3. This is where we combine some of my favorite activities, eating and math. All right, Starfish, thanks for joining me for tea. And who do we have as our special guest? It's Pikachu! Thanks for coming, Pikachu. Do you like to eat your fast food? Yes, this is the food that makes us super strong, super fast, our fruit and vegetables. Okay, what should we start with? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apples. Okay, I think I'm gonna have 1. How about you, Starfish? Super hungry. 2 for Starfish. And what about you, Pikachu? Also just gonna have 1. All right. So we had 7 apples to start with. And I'm eating 1. Starfish is eating 2. And Pikachu's having 1 as well. So we're eating 1, 2, 3, 4. If we had 7 apples to start with and we're gonna eat 4, that means there's only, yep, 3 left. Okay, time to eat. All right, that was some delicious apples. Okay, time for, yep, our grapes. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grapes. I'm gonna have 1. Starfish is gonna have 1. And Pikachu's gonna have 1. Now, we had 6 grapes to start with, and we're gonna eat 1, 2, 3. So 6, and if we are gonna eat 3 or subtract 3, yep, 3 left. Good math. Okay, favorite time, eat. All right, that was some delicious eating on Afternoon Tea 1, 2, 3. Thanks for joining me, and I hope we'll see you again soon. Thanks for learning today on the Kristen Starfish Show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, if you have any questions, send me an email to drkristenstarfish@gmail.com, and I'll do my best to get back to you. In a world of angry sharks, let's all be starfish. Take care.